You gotta go out?
Alright. So I think I vaguely heard of this game before. I don't remember it at all, though.
Assemble wrong to secure the port. Okay. What the fuck all that means?
So basically, you're a toy soldier, right?
Yeah. Jesus! Wait, do I have to kill this little fucker?
Well, he's not the same color, is he? Or
Is that how it works?
shooting at your guy, so I'd shoot him. Jesus.
Yeah, take that little fucker. So is this guy like...
Yeah, that's a bastard. You want to kill that fucker.
Hey, look how my other guy just fucking run past these guys.
What, you gonna shoot him in the knee?
Yep.
Oh.
I have a feeling this game's just gonna really piss me off. There's to find your entire team. Oh, this is gonna be an easy stage, isn't it?
Whoa, whoa. Can you hit him with the butt of your gun? I think you're shooting your guy. Nice shot.
Thanks. Oh, switch guns. There we go. Oh, there it is.
Is that a shotgun?
Yeah.
Nice. What the fuck? They're killing you. Oh.
Very, God damn it. It's harder to aim than the other game.
You getting shot from behind.
You son of a bitch.
Whoa.
Riff is dead. God damn it.
Do it again.
Hey, Dex. Dexter.
Dexter. Fuck that dog go. Oh.
What are you doing? Shouldn't have bothered you. Aww.
That could be a problem.
No.
That could potentially be a problem. I'd say at least you got some of it.
Oh shit, they're not still in the freezer, are they?
No, that was the last one. That was not freezing.
That is a tad too cold.
Yeah, they're pretty good.
That's straight up ice.
Well, it was in the freezer. Anything coming out? Oh, go get another.
Let that one sit for a little while.
You gonna hurry up or you're just gonna kind of take your time?
Are you still talking?
Yeah, I said fucking move.
God damn it.
Nice shot. Oh, 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 oh.
Is it still alive?
Yes.
Jesus. Where'd he go? Oh my god.
Oh. Oh. Nice shot.
Dexter! Oh. Hey.
Hey.
Hey. How's it going?